I want chop today. Oh boy, this is answered prayer. Fanta, cheese balls, Sprite. Yeah? Hey. Nah. That's it.
They never show you anything, Mumu.
Oh, this thing go be sacrifice. Ta, boy, I go chop am. I just did the talk say hunger dey wear me. I don't know say they don't organize better meal for me. Chai! Oh boy. Now make Chineke. What God cannot do does not exist. Chai! Oh boy, see banana. See pure water. See.
You think say they wise? You are a Mumu man.
Ta. Nah, when I finish this one now, I go run the coke. Sprite.
This is the great Ewekoro, the god of Yahoo.
Ta. Then keep sacrifice for you.
Are you eating my
Why
sacrifice?
you never come carry your sacrifice? Hey, I know they stop me. Allow me make I chop this.
Why are you eating my sacrifice?
For them to keep the sacrifice on you since morning, you never come chop, and that means you no one chop am. No, this allow me make I chop in peace. So, if you like say this hardship, you never, you know reach your side. So you make you not touch my sacrifice on that fire. Come on, get out.
Ha 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 ha.
Chop am, abi. Don't worry, make I can't go and go chop. They mad. Thunder fire you. Come on. Yeah, you know get power. See, I every day I can't go chop. Come on. Yeah, I'm your victory. Don't touch my sacrifice. They mad.
And they never read.
You fool. We shall see. Ha ha ha.